Hello, it's the video tour of Kamin apartment number 21. Walk on in. You see there's a tile entryway here. See there's just a nice little open space right when you walk into the apartment. See bathroom, hall closet there, living room, one bedroom that way, another bedroom over here. We'll just start in the hallway. I'll turn it so you can get a more thing. So here's a hall closet. Go inside for you. See it's got some nice room, a closet rack. Shelves up top for storage. Some shelves down here below. Plenty of good storage space in there. And then here we have the bathroom. See your vanity, medicine cabinet, toilet, and the shower over here. Nice big thing. Oh, there's a window in the bathroom too. And then let's just go to back to this first bedroom. So you see it's carpeted. Nice light carpet color. And then here. So you see there's room for a dresser, storage room over there, desk. He's got a full-size bed here. And these nice big windows overlooking the front of the building, second floor, so you get some nice light in here. And then closet over here. Let's open it up. So you can see it's about probably 5 feet wide with a shelf up top for storage. And I'll just stand in the corner over here, give you another view of the room. Go diagonal or vertical with it. Alright, then we'll go through the living room here. Our second bedroom is really big. I'll just give you some scope here. See the nice big window up front there. It's all one big window. It's got a decorative fireplace, built-in storage right there. So again, here I'll just go flip it. He's got like a queen size bed on the floor over there. So desk up there, plenty of room for walking around. Decorative fireplace, room over here. And this closet's pretty big. This closet is probably about 6 or 7 feet wide. Has shelf up there, shelf there. See, even fit a dresser in there. Okay, and then living room's right here, still the nice carpet. So they've got a futon, 2 chairs, multiple tables, TV in the corner, ceiling fan up top, windows over there, and then kitchen in the back here. Tile flooring, a full-size fridge right as you walk in, electric oven, dishwasher, good countertop space, and then lots of cabinets as you can see. Excuse me. And then fire escape there. See the nice window out here. That's a video tour of Kamin apartment 21.